these are our small bonsai. We have height is 1.2, 1.5 meter, and this one also called multi-head, strong stem or strong root. This bonsai, we have lot of quantity, and also Aritia ball shape. This shape mostly people use for hedges, ball like, and this one Vitex also used for hedges. Yes, this one olive multi-head. You see, one head here, one here, one here, and one here. So this olive is multi-head. Like same like bonsai multi-head. Hello guys. Now again we are visit to our shrubs area. Beautiful. White flowers, hibiscus with white flowers. Now flower is closed because sunset soon.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning you can.
Yes, tomorrow morning this flower will open like this.
Hibiscus with flower.
Hibiscus flower. Hibiscus with pink flower.
Great.
Yes, we have good quality. Hibiscus variegated leaf with red flowers.
Price,
Price-
how much will be?
20 dirham.
20 dirham only.
Yes.
Very cheap, huh?
Yes.
With good quality.
Bougainvillea tomato red.
Tomato head, huh?
Yes. Price is 25 dirham
Only 25.
Yes.
With the stick also.
with sticks and also pot.
Pots.
Yes. We will show you our olive area. This is our olive area, and you can see here we have more than 2000 numbers of olives. Different size, different shapes, different sizes, and olive price start from 250 dirham, and here we have 20,000 each piece.
Okay. Show some other olives.
And this is our other olive area.
These are the bonsai.
Yes, this is also called bonsai. 2.5 to 3 meter height, 80 to 100 centimeter girth, and price will be 4,800. And this
Dirhams.
olive is bonsai olive.
Bonsai olive. Show the.
Now we are showing to our ficus bonsai area. This one is our ficus bonsai area. In this area, we showing two different shapes of ficus bonsai.
Origin from China,
Origin from China,
Thailand,
Thailand sometime, but not normally we bring from China.
mostly.
Yes.
Okay. See this.
This ficus bonsai multi-head. Height is 1.5 to 2 meter.
How much you selling this one?
This one we are selling normally 1,800, but now offer is start, so we will give 1,650 dirham.
Okay. Great.
This one ficus bonsai snake shape.
Snake shape.
Yes, snake shape. Now we have limited offer for 3 days. Before we are selling 3,800, but now price is 3,200 only for 3 days.
For 3 days. Guys,
Yes,
for 3 days only.
3 days only. 3
Take
days.
note.
3 days.
3 days only.
This one ficus bonsai multi-heads.
Multi-head.
Yes. Multi-head, same price, 3,200. Only offer valid for 3 days.
3 days again.
So don't forget to buy this one. You can come and visit our nursery. You can enjoy and you can buy.
Yeah.
This one is our shrubs
Shrubs
area.
area.
So in shrubs we have different type of shrubs with flowers,
With flower.
without flowers, and lot of shrubs we have starting from 30 centimeter, it goes to 1.5 to 2 meter height. Thank you.